Hi everyone, this is NEELA and I'm so excited to be designing for Citrus Twist kits. I will be using the Sparkle and Joy kit to create a December memories album. So it's not going to be a December daily album. So what I plan to do is pick some of my best memories over the years. I think I started doing December daily around 2013. So I have pretty good photos from about 2013 with a few years gap and till 2019. So my plan is to pick some of my good memories over the years and put it in this gorgeous album. So excited to be working with an album of this size. I haven't really worked with a Citrus Twist kit album before, so it's pretty exciting. So the first thing that I did was I unpacked my Citrus Twist kits. As you can see, sorry the angle is pretty bad, but I got all the papers out and the stickers out, and so I've put them all in front of me so that I can see them at all times. And I also got the ephemera pack. I think the ephemera pack is really one of my favorites. So I unpacked the ephemera pack. I cut out the label sheet so that the labels are handy at all times. So for the first project, what I was thinking was using these photos and of course the Instax size pocket page protector. Super fun. So I had these photos of my son when he learned ballet when he was 3 years old and decided not to continue anymore, which is kind of sad, but at least I'm so glad that I have these photos and these memories. I have scrapbooked these photos before in multiple forms, but this reindeer here, that pretty much kind of prompted me to scrap these photos again, and it's a pretty cute and sweet memory. So first thing I did was I printed these photos out and then I cut out some white cardstock, and then I'm just going to stick the photos on top of the cardstock and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so here I have all my photos and I have them all stuck on the white cardstock. So I'm thinking that for a couple of them I'll add hearts at the bottom, and then for a couple of them I was thinking of using this sticker to spell love and you. So I really like these stickers because they're like, I think the perfect size to kind of put on these photos. They're thin and small too, so really like it. So this is the card. I've already gone ahead and tied my story about him learning ballet. He's not into ballet anymore, but he does like to sing and play the piano. But I still do wish that one day he will get back into dance. So look at this bow, and I think it's like so perfect. It matches these photos so well. So I'm just going to stick this bow here. So I'm going to have like an Instax page protector, and then I'm going to have a page protector with 2 3x4s on this side. So I want to make like a cluster of embellishments on the second 3x4 card. So let me go and decide if I want to put it on pattern paper or on one of the cards, and I'll get back to you. So I decided to use this pattern paper and cut it down to 3x4 for the background of this reindeer, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it like in a cluster. And I also like this particular cutout. I was thinking of putting it this way over the over the page protector actually, but I don't know, I think this may be too big for these photos and I may use it for a different layout. But I mean, this really fits this, but we'll see. So the other thing I could use is just this star in the middle. I still haven't decided. I think once I put the photos into the page protectors, I pulled out my page protectors, and then I'll decide once I put the photos in the page protectors. So the date was December 14th. 2013. My god, that was so long ago. And I'm going to stick this down. You know, you need, I mean, I don't think I'm using the right type of adhesive. You need the pens, and I do have one, and that's what I should be using actually. But I think since this is going to go into the page protector and I think I got enough onto it, we should be okay. So I think that's it. Very simple. One of my older memories and fond memories. So what I want to do is, since the deer is pointing this way, so I want this page to be on this side and then the other photos to be on this side. I don't know if you think of those things, but I don't know, if I have the deer this side, it's looking out of the page. So I want to put this page protector on this side. So let's slip it in. Okay, so here's another thing, he's looking down, so I'd rather put that here, up here, than, you know, when I stuck the love you stickers, I really didn't think much. I just picked them at random, and I'm glad that they'll work out. By the way, it was a huge struggle to take these photos, and they were taken with my cell phone. It was dark, not the prettiest, but I edited them, and I think for this size they're like, I can't make them big, but for this size they're perfect. So the question is, should I put the star in the middle, or should I put this in the middle? I don't know. I think I might just go with the star, or I might even go with something a little more pink maybe. I'm not sure. So we also have all of these. So maybe something like this wouldn't be bad. Like making spirits bright. Or jolly good time. I don't know. Maybe I think that's what I'm going to use this one. So I think that's it. I think that's it. You know, you start off thinking that something will be nice. Actually, I really wanted to use this, but I don't think it fits on this page. You start off thinking that you want to use something, but you end up using something else. So I think this is the page. I'm going to put it in an album and then take a photo of this, and I hope you enjoyed my thought process and how I go about putting a page together. Thank you.